know it's best to stay calm after a car accident, but this is a whole new level of calm. Elizabeth, at 86 years young, flipped her car outside her home in Los Angeles. Well, this is hubby Ben.
Well clarified, Lisa.
Ben is 87 years old. He's looking at Elizabeth inside the car with the moonroof. He just wanted to see what happened. Now, once she worked out that she was okay, had a great view of everything that was going on, just trapped inside the car, they thought it'd be a great opportunity for a few photos. So they posed for the cameras. Now, these two lovebirds, Ben and Elizabeth, have been married for 60 years, so patience is their middle name.
It's a good outcome. Now, she's the Voice Kids coach we all love, and now Delta Goodham is in a new ad called The Strip, and she does just that. Check it.
Oral-B White Strips. The strip to make you stand out.
At the end of the day, a beautiful smile is everything, right?
I'm dealt.
Whoa.
Dealt.
Well, flossing has never been sexier.